Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marianne Elise and I teach people how to change their life by changing their thoughts. And today I've got another tarot for men for you. Now, if this is your first time watching one of my tarot readings, I use 3 different oracle decks and I get the main energy for the reading, and then I move on to tarot and I get their headspace, what they're currently thinking about, heart space, what these men are currently feeling, and then I pull you onto the highest timeline and we see what's coming up in the near future. So let's jump straight in. Get the first card. We've got patience. Which is funny because patience is a theme that a lot of women had last year. So I wonder whether it's a theme now that the men have got. So it has been coming up a lot lately, so I mentioned the theme. And we've got the blue flame, spontaneous awakening, activation, integration time. You're going through an awakening. That would make sense that you've got the patience card, because that is one of the first things that you go through when you first start waking up. Patience. What do we got here? So we've got Bridget, the goddess of eternal flame. I am an eternal flame and each day my light grows brighter. So look straight away at the synchronicities. So we've got the blue flame and the eternal flame. So that's just showing me that your light body is activating, your energetic field, your macabre, it's activating. You are going through an intense awakening. Right, let's see what's going on. 2 cards, please, for the headspace. Ooh. We've got the Queen of Pentacles. And we got the Death card. Don't worry, this isn't about actual death. This is endings and brand new beginnings. So what I'm getting from this is it's a new way of thinking. You're changing your perspective about the way that you might view a certain woman or female in life, whether that be your mother, your sister, your friend, your wife, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whatever it might be. You have got it on your mind and you're changing your perspective on some sort of way that you view them. So let's see what's in the heart space. Ooh, progression. So we've got the 9 and 10 of Pentacles. How freaking cool. So this here is all about being single, independent, getting anything that you want, and just loving life, just being single and just being independent. And then it progresses to the 10 of Pentacles, which is happy families. So it could be on your heart, you're wanting to go from being single to in a relationship, or if you're already in a relationship, it could be going from being more independent to being more codependent. Definitely isn't the right word, but more co-creating together, be more of a family and work together as one, instead of being separate units in the same relationship. Come together and be more as one, as more the unit. So yeah, this is 2 separate messages for single people. It's single people thinking about, yeah, independent life is good, freedom is good, but I can still keep all the things that I like my freedom and my independence, and I can take them with me into a relationship and I can still have that in a happy family. So now let's see what's coming up for you in the near future. Ooh, right, just 2 cards, please. Don't go crazy on me. Ooh. 1 more card, please. Just One, thanks. One more card, please. We've got the Ace of Pentacles. And we've got Temperance. Right, this is really, really interesting energy coming in here. This does feel like some sort of brand new opportunity. So for those of you who are single, this feels like the coming together of two people and being like, yeah, this could be the person that I want to settle down with. And it's like there's three of you in there, so there could be a child involved, but it's like coming with this opportunity together. But it could also be, if you are already in a relationship, it could be you looking at it and thinking, right, let's come together as a family and be one, not be separate, and come together, and it's a brand new beginning. So let's take a look. So if you're in a relationship and you're a male watching this, it could be you thinking about like how you want to add to the family in ways other than just being masculine and just adding your own financial value. And it might be helping around at the house, doing a bit of cooking and cleaning, maybe picking up other jobs that you wouldn't normally do. And it just feels like bringing more balance into the relationship. But before we go, I'll pull another couple of cards just to go with that. Let's have a look. So give me something to clarify this Ace of Pentacles and Temperance, please. Ooh, we've got Star Family. You're part of a team of souls. Call in support. Ooh, let me get one more. One, please. Woo! It's fallen on the floor. Let me just grab it. We've got Magician and the Mirror. So let's have a look. We've got all these four cards together. Ta-da! Now what this is saying to me, all this here is basically you are going to be manifesting this. You really are coming into your power and you're learning how to use the law of attraction a lot better than you have done before, and you're learning how to manifest a lot better, and you're learning that I am powerful. I can literally have whatever I want. You're connecting deep with yourself on a soul level, and when you've been having this time and learning how to be patient, you're also learning how to go within. And even for some of you, you might not even realize that you're meditating, but you actually are just spending time looking at your own thoughts, observing what you're thinking and correcting them, and finding new ways of thinking, and over here like finding new perspective on things. You might not realize it, but you're actually meditating. You're actually meditating when you're sitting in your own thoughts and you're going over things and you're reviewing things. You're actually meditating, and I feel like for a lot of you, it does feel like the beginning of meditating, or you might have just been doing it for a short while and you want to dedicate yourself more, and I feel like that is really starting to begin for you now. So if this reading resonates with you, you can purchase a personal reading at my website. There's links down below in the description box, and you can find me at my website, which is heartspacehealing33.com. So thanks very much for tuning in today. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and it resonated with you. So thanks very much for tuning in. Namaste.